In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate English to Italian with DeepL. If you've never used it before, DeepL is a powerful online translator known for its natural phrasing and context-aware results, which makes it great for everyday messages, study notes, or even professional content. First, open your web browser and go to the DeepL website. You don't need to create an account to get started. The free version works right from the homepage. Once the page loads, you'll see two main panels. The left side is where you enter your original text, and the right side displays the translation. Make sure the language on the left is set to English. You can do this by clicking the small language selector above the left text box and choosing English from the list. If the wrong language is selected, just switch it. DeepL usually remembers your last choice, but it's always good to double check. Next, set the language on the right to Italian. Click the language selector above the right panel and choose Italian. This tells DeepL exactly how to translate your text. If you ever notice the languages are reversed, use the swap button between the panels to flip them back instantly. Now paste or type your English text into the left box. You can use your keyboard shortcut to paste or simply type directly. DeepL handles sentences, paragraphs, and punctuation well, so you can insert full sections of text without breaking it up. It's fine to paste a few lines at a time if you want to review as you go. As soon as you add your text, you'll see the Italian translation appear instantly on the right. DeepL updates in real time, so you can refine your English input and immediately watch the Italian wording adjust. This is helpful for clarifying tone or choosing simpler phrasing to get a cleaner result. For names, technical terms, or brand words, DeepL usually keeps them as is. If you prefer a different phrasing, modify the English slightly and let it refresh. Take a moment to read through the Italian output. Check for formality. Depending on your audience, you might prefer a more formal or informal tone. If you need to steer it, adjust the English to indicate politeness or context, and the translation will reflect that. That's all there is to it. Go to DeepL, set English on the left, Italian on the right, paste or type your English, and view the Italian translation instantly. With these basics, you can translate quickly and confidently whenever you need.